Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and today we are going to be talking about romance scams. Why are you even talking about this? This is a non-couponing subject. I think the more information that you have about these sort of scams, especially a scam of the heart, it will make you more literate to see the signs and to say, hey, something is up, this isn't right. So about a month ago, I posted this video where an elderly lady at one of my Walgreens, she was just really struggling, and she was asking my assistance, and I was like, within minutes, I knew she was getting scammed, and I tried to assist her, and she was like just desperately on the phone, whoever this person was. It was obviously a scammer, and I was trying to help her out, and I'm like, as much as I know a little bit of information about scams, how many of us, when this is like in real time in front of your face, you really know what to do? You don't. And these scammers are pushy, they ask for the money, they are just really, really bossy in a certain way. And what they don't like is when people like us have information. So I thought it would be really useful in today's video just to go through some bullet points on like how to acknowledge that possibly you might be in a scam. And also, there's a YouTube channel that I recently found that there's testimonials from people that have been swindled. Real people, real stories. And I know we all know somebody who met some great guy over, in Switzerland, and things just did not work out. To share just a quick little story time, a friend's aunt up in Canada years ago signed up for a seniors dating website. And within a couple of days, got a message from a really great looking guy overseas, somewhere in Europe. And he was a gem miner and worked in a very dangerous field, was around sometimes, wasn't around. And within 2 months of their constant communication, he started to ask for money. Now, my friend's aunt didn't have any money to give. And when she explained it to her niece, that's when quickly she discovered, oh, this is totally a scam. And this was 5 years ago. But the pressure was on dear old aunt to provide gift cards and money. And it just kept escalating, especially around Christmas. And because she had nothing to give, the relationship then quickly fizzled. Now, Security National Bank has these little bullet points. My bank had something similar, but I couldn't photograph their screens because it would show where my bank is and all that fun information that shouldn't be on YouTube. But this is some really pertinent information that applies to anyone in one of these sort of internet romances, internet scams that just to look out for the red flags. So the first point is that the scammer will profess their love quickly. They claim to be from the US, but they are overseas for business or military service, working in a mine, working on an offshore rig. They ask for money, lures you off the dating site, claims to need money for emergencies, hospital bills, or travel, plans to visit, but can't because of an emergency. All of these bullet points, guys, in that YouTube page I'm going to refer you to, all of these check out perfectly for a lot of these people sharing their testimonials of being scammed. All of this, boom, 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 boom. So it's just absolutely like, wow. The last point of bullets, what should you do if you are in this situation or if you know somebody who's in this situation? This first one is really important: to slow down and talk to somebody you trust. Don't let the scammer rush you. As I described, my friend's aunt was talking to her niece, like, listen to this. That's the thing to do. Never wire money or put money on a gift card, cash reload card, or send cash to an online love interest. You won't get it back. Contact your bank right away if you think you've sent money to a scammer, and then to report the incident to the dating site and then, the FTC, because they take this seriously. All solid information. Now, the YouTube page I was talking to you guys about, I'm guessing a lot of you are on this page because it got suggested to me and I got enthralled and watched like 10 of them last weekend. But they are little vignettes where the victim is being interviewed to give their backstory of what happened. And if you watch like even 3 of these, the stories will start sounding like a pattern. But it's just them being taken advantage of, and then they try to figure out a way of how to actually catch the scammer, which is another part of it that's interesting. I'll link this video or this YouTube page at the very end if you wish to watch a couple videos. But it's some very compelling storytelling and information that the scammers do not want us to have. And the best way to combat these scammers is to have information in what to look out for and what does this look like, taste like, smell like. Oh, it's a scam. So check this channel out, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.